How to change your profile photo on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile photo on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile here and now click this one, edit profile. Here you will find it, click on it and as you see here you will see this one, change photo, and click on it. And here all you need to do is just click this one, the middle one here, select from gallery and select any photo you want, and that's it. And that's how to change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.